What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video tutorial of a free code camp, and in this one we're going to be starting with a new section introducing you to React and Redux. So this series of challenges introduce how to use Redux with React. Interesting, isn't it? So in a React Redux app, you create a single Redux store that manages the state of your entire app. Your React component subscribes to only the pieces of data in the store that are relevant to their role. Then you can dispatch actions directly from React components, which then trigger store updates. Alright, so we're going to be learning about these kind of things. How to apply this kind of logic into our next challenges. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.